right, in today's guided notes, we're going to continue solving compound inequalities like we did yesterday in the meet when we were starting to look at math by fives. By now, you've watched the math by five video and completed the math message. So here is your guided notes. So the first ones, we're going to translate verbal phrases into inequalities. So the first one says all real numbers that are greater than or equal to -2. So wait, actually that or is not really as much as important as I thought. Greater than or equal to -2 and less than 2. So when you do that one, it's an and. So you know it's going to give you the barbell. And so it's going to be, again, greater than or equal to -2. So we'll go here. And then less than 2 will be an open dot here. So we'll go here and put close dot, open dot. And again, it's greater than -2, so it goes that way, and less than 2, greater than or equal to -2 and less than 2, so it goes the other way, and it connects like that. Sorry, that was a little lower than I expected. So the next one, all real numbers that are less than or equal to 3, so less than or equal to 3, with that symbol, or greater than 6. So you can see here with this one, zoom in so you can see this a little better. We're going to put a closed dot at 3. And it's an or, so we should expect a split. So it's going to go this way. And then that's going to be at 6, there'll be an open dot here going that way. Cool. Last one is all real numbers that are greater than -8. And so now we're thinking barbell, less than or equal to -3. So again, it says that are greater than -8, and then less than or equal to -3. So that's going to be at -3, close dot, open dot at -8, and they're going to connect because again, -3 it's less than, -8 it's bigger than or greater than, so they connect and work like that. Cool. On the page, let's look at the next example here. So solving some compound inequalities. Let's give this a shot here. So we did this a couple times already, so it shouldn't be too new. It's an and. I'm just going to do it off to the side because I like to keep it together and do it as one large equation or compound inequality. So I'll put 15 less than or equal to 3x minus 3 less than 24. So we'll add 3 here, add 3 here. 18 is less than or equal to 3x, which is less than 27. Divide everything by 3. You can see you don't have to flip anything, so I'm just left with 6 is less than or equal to, that would be 9. So now when we come over here, when we craft that solution, we're going to put an open dot at 9, closed dot at 6. It's a barbell, and check that out, it does work. It's less than 9, but greater than or equal to 6, so that one works. A few more examples. Another compound inequality, another and. This one they kept together for us, so we don't have to, I don't know why. So the only difference is they split this one up, and this one, they're just keeping it together. What I mean by split is they said and put it into two different ones, I guess. So let's just do it the way we've always been doing it. So 2 steps here. So we're going to -1, -1, -1. And so you're left with 14, and on this side 49. Aha! We divide by everything by a -7. and you're left with -2. And then on this side, it's going to be -7. So you can see they already switched the signs for you. So less than became greater than, and this less than became greater than. Let's double check our graph here and make sure it does work. So greater than -9 would be open dot here, and less than -2 would be an open dot here, and they connect like that. Number 4, and then we have some checkpoints for you to try. So here goes. The first thing we do, it's an OR, so they literally split up into two separate different equations. So we know we're looking for some type of split. Maybe open, well, they look like this one's going to be closed and this one will be open. So here, we'll -6 on both sides. 5x is less than or equal to -15. Divide by 5, divide by 5. X is less than or equal to -3. Over here, +8, +8. 2x is greater than 20. Divide by 2. X is greater than 20, greater than 10. So put our solutions, looking for the split. We get a closed dot at -3, which is like right here. Open dot at +10. That is going to be greater than, so we're pointing to the right. It's going to be less than, pointing to the left. All right, so we got 2 checkpoints for you to try, and then maybe a little bit of classwork for today. I want you to pause the video and try these 2 and see if you get what I'm about to show you. Okay, so for number 1, hopefully you got this, which is -3 and divide by -2, and you switch the signs here, right? So you should have got x is greater than or -5 and less than or equal to +2, like that. The second one is an OR, gives you the split, both open dots. X is less than -2, or x is greater than 3. Good luck with the classwork today.